today we're going to do a simple experiment that you can do at your own home with the simple tools that you can find at your home. That we need for today's experiment. The first step, prepare 2 cups of plastic glass and fill it with some of the of these green beans. So here are the results after we did the experiment for 4 days until a week, and this result I get after I did the experiment last week. After doing this experiment, you may be wondering what is happening between the bean that is placed in the dark and the bean that is placed in the light space. Why is it different? So as to answer that, we're going to talk about the plant hormone. Plants to grow, and the auxin is better to be worked in dark places. Plants or beans that are placed in the dark can grow rapidly because it is caused by the activity of the auxin hormone, which is better in work in bright places. The auxin hormone activity is influenced by the intensity of sunlight. The less sunlight it gets, the more the activity of the beans to grow. And conversely, if the bean gets more sunlight, the less activity will be done by the auxin hormone. Okay, the auxin hormone function is not only to stimulate the growth, but also to stimulate cell elongation. So the more the activity of the hormone auxin, plant growth will be faster and vice versa. Why is it not really good in working in bright places? Because it is work better, and because the sunlight is probably will damaging or destroying or making it hard for the auxin hormone to work. Okay, for the cell elongation, this has led to the growth of the plants placed in the dark areas much faster than in the bright areas. For this kind of thing is called etiolation. So now you can know why is the bean that is placed in the dark and the bean that is placed in the light has different kind of growth. It is because of the auxin hormone, and the process is called etiolation. Okay, that's all from me, and I hope this will be useful for you. I'm sorry if I stutter or have many mistakes. Thank you.